Hello everyone. Today we're going to be cleaning this a Nintendo Wii U gamepad. Yes, older than the Switch. Now we're going to use some glass cleaner here. I use this one. It's not like placement or anything. It's just the one that I have seen most success with. I'll just put down the phone a minute and I'll spray a little on the screen, not too much. There we are. Just about that much will do. Now you just take some regular paper towel and, well, there you go. You'll notice that everything looks a ton cleaner when you're done. Of course, you're going to want to go over it a few times. One more, depending on how long you've been letting the thing lay out. And look at that. It's a lot cleaner now. Mine's been sitting up on my TV stand. It needs a little more cleaning around the corners. Things like that. But otherwise, I think it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it off with the dry side just a little bit. Yes, look at that. Look at that. There's a few spots that need a little cleaning still, but look, if I put that in the light, you can see it is just completely beautiful. That's it. Why won't it let me stop the recording? This is a problem.